In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Snapchat. If you can't find the button of logout on your Snapchat, let me show you how you can find it. Open up your Snapchat and head over to your profile section or your Bitmoji on the top left. From your profile section, tap on the settings icon that you see on the top right. From your settings, you just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll have an option of logout. Tap on the logout option and tap on logout. This way you'll be instantly logged out of your account. But however, if you have saved in your login information, anyone can tap on login and you'll be again logged into your account. To avoid that, what you can do is remove your Snapchat account from your device. Just tap on remove account and tap on yes. This way your account will not only be logged out, but your account will also be removed from your phone. The next time you'll need to log in or open up your Snapchat, you just need to tap on switch account if you have multiple accounts, and then type in your details and log in. So that's all it takes to log out of Snapchat. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. Also comment down below what kind of video should we create next. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more.